Don't worry about adjusting your sets. I am that fat. I'm lovely, really. Apart from me here getting all static on the top of this thing. Yeah, I'm back in the van, as you can bloody well see. It's Groundhog Day. Happy New Year. Get that out of the way first. Got a tea on the go, so happy days. What have I done so far? Bugger bloody all. I've taken the microwave out. TV's gone, the bracket as well, what was behind there. I'm going to sort out that area with a bit of a doobie-doo. Then I'm going to cut this carpet. But all behind them panels what I built, oh, you can't see them, has got insulation, but I've got better insulation. Well, I've got like a little bit of insulation left, but there's enough to stuff behind there. And it's a lot thicker, so happy days. Oh, Jesus, excuse me. And then tidy, and I'm going to wash all these covers and sheets and that. Yeah, that's about it in here. And then I'm going to sort the electrics out. I mean, really, I would like to have the bed going down that way now and have all this sort of like a purpose-built sort of unit going down there. But do you know what? Can I be bothered to do that? Nah, because I do like this bed, and but it just takes up so much room. But you know, I think this is giving it so much. The feng shui is feeling good this morning. Yeah, because it was fucking with my feng shui. You can't have that. Yeah. Yeah, I had to sort of come through this end to undo the panels. Pair of glasses I found. This is lovely. That's really nice. I love that. It says, let's engage glasses because I'm as blind as a bat. The beautiful mouth-blown glass drop has been handmade, especially to wish you health, wealth, happiness, and good luck. I better fucking rub that a bit more often. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I'll bring you back in a second when I've made some further progress. Alright, bonjour. I'll clean my kettle. Get in there. All important thing, I've got to clean my kettle. If I rub it and rub it and rub it, will something magical come out? Do you know what? That sounds a lot a line I've used with a previous girlfriend. Yep, I can go back on just to get the dust off, to be honest with you. Right, let me put that there for a moment. Right. That's up. Obviously I need some wood filler, which I've got some. I'm going to fill that and sort of dye it in a bit where I had the legs on the thing. But apart from that, it's looking better. This, I can't be dealing with that, because that was to hold up the TV before. There was a bracket on there, and the TV could swivel left and right and up and down and whatever. But I just don't like that now. It looks like a big. It looks like it's very happy to see me, and it kind of messes up my feng shui now. Look. So I'm going to have to take that off and a bit more filler in there. Wash up these cups, and I think that's about it. Yeah, I think it looks alright. It is what it is. It's budget friendly. Oh, the mess. Right, I've taken stuff down off that wall there. I think it's sort of tidied it up a little bit. It's improved my feng shui. That's looking better, I think. Yeah, just need to sort everything else out. I'm going to get rid of that TV. I don't use that one. Yeah, happy days. It's getting there, slowly but surely. This is the other angle of it. I need to sort out all this. This is my diesel heater. That was on a bracket. and it will be back on a bracket. And I was going to say, bloody unsafe. Yeah, it is actually, but it was on a bracket, holding it in. There's my fishing rod, but look what happened to my poor fishing rod. I closed the door on it. Took the freaking head off. Stupid man. You know, things were getting that bad, you know, I'll go a bit fishing and catch some bass. Yeah, so let's I need to sort this area out. Yeah, but that's worked alright. It's on there alright. No leaks so far. Happy days. And that bloody heater, thanks John's print shop, because you saved my life, and you know you have. And top man as well for sending one out to us. Bloody lovely thing you done. So thanks John's print shop. Oh, and why I'm here, hold on, I'll do that in a sec. Right, let me pause you. Look at the state of it in there, look. Some mucky puppies living in there. Jesus. Howdy. Think I'm done for the day. I haven't done a lot. I put the Gavin and Stacey. Better turn that off before I get copyright strike. Yeah, still ain't done the washing up. But yeah, that little TV's much better. Much better. Gives you a lot more sort of space as you get in and out. Yeah, happy days. Right, and I said, oh yeah, before I let me just turn you around to me lovely face. Right, before I go, I just want to say Ian Smith's mum, it was her birthday the other day, 86 I believe, Christine, I think her name is. Happy birthday, belated, and a happy new year to you, Christine. And I bet you make a cracking cup of tea. Right, I'll speak to you later. Salah.